Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDC from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, moving your assets between exchanges has never been easier, but it's crucial to do it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or take advantage of better rates on Crypto.com, this step-by-step process will get you there in no time. Let's jump in. First off, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need active accounts on both Coinbase and Crypto.com, and a balance of USDC in your Coinbase wallet. If you don't have USDC yet, you can buy it directly on Coinbase or transfer from another source. This is key because 2025 brings updated security features, so double-check your account settings for two-factor authentication. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account and head to your dashboard. Locate your USDC balance, it's usually under your assets list. Click on it to access the wallet details. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. Select USDC as the asset you want to transfer. Step 3. Now, switch over to Crypto.com. Log in, go to your wallet, and navigate to the deposit section for USDC. Copy the wallet address. Remember, in 2025, platforms might use advanced QR codes or integrated wallets, so ensure you're using the correct network, like Ethereum or Solana, to match Coinbase's settings. Step 4. Back on Coinbase, paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, review the transaction details, including any fees, and hit Confirm. Fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Step 5. Once confirmed, the transfer should process quickly, often within minutes, depending on the blockchain. Head back to Crypto.com and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. A few quick tips. Always verify the wallet address to prevent errors. Typos can lead to permanent losses. Also, be mindful of gas fees and market volatility. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. Your USDC is now on Crypto.com. This simple transfer can open up new opportunities in the crypto world. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.